Hello everyone, today I'm going to show a quick video for 2006 till 2013 Kia Sedona Hyundai Entourage on how to change the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box. There's two glove boxes, 1 and 2. It's under the bottom one. All you have to do is clean out the glove box, open it up, and then what you're going to do is, see this black thing right here, you're going to pry it this way. Basically pry it real hard like that, and then it drops. And then you'll see that this little thing will be catching. All you have to do there is release it. So this is the piston or the shocks for the glove box to make it close tighter as well as drop slower. So you release that, and then you release this tab, and the glove box will just drop. So I do the same on both sides, and it'll drop. Now if you look underneath, you can clearly see that this is the cabin air filter housing, and you see the tabs on the bottom. There's one tab here and another tab here. So go ahead and press it and pull towards you, so the housing cap comes right off. Now you should be able to see the cabin air filter right here. See how dirty it is? It hasn't been cleaned in a couple of years. So basically you just swap this out. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put this one in. This is a new TYC from Amazon, 80030P, probably $10 or $12. So it's a quick change. You just put it in. If you notice how it came out, the direction of the arrow, it says from top to bottom. So do the same thing on the airflow, top to bottom. The arrow should be pointing on the new filter as well. Here, airflow, so it should be this way for this filter. So that's it. You just put it back and close it back on. Alright, so all I'm gonna do is put the air filter, slide it right in there, make sure it's nice and snug, and then these little 3 tabs on the top, line them up and click the bottom, and that's it. Now you squeeze both sides. Remember, you got to really squeeze this. It helps if you press the middle, and it should fit right into that hole. There's the catch, and right there, snap into it, and that's it. You're done with the cabin air filter. Here's the old one, super dirty, and new one is in. That's it, folks. That would save you $80 if you go to the dealer. Please subscribe to my channel, do it yourself, simple videos, and you'll save some money.